Hello, John Neal here. I'm in the George Eliot Memorial Gardens in Nuneaton, and this is where the Walk of Faith is going to start on Saturday the 1st of June, and you are all invited to come along. What is the Walk of Faith, I hear you say? Well, it starts from here. For those of you who don't know, I am a member of the Baha'i community in Nuneaton here, and this tree is one that we planted about 30-40 years ago. So this is where we're going to start from, and we will go and walk to the Muslim mosque. And then on to the Sikh Gurdwara.
Then across the park by the Abbey Theatre.
Go past the Hindu centre in Upper Abbey Street. And then end up in St Nicholas Church, which is just over here. Actually, the final place will be the Peace Avenue, which is in Riversley Park. We last did this walk about 15 years ago, and it was very successful, and things in the world don't seem to have got much better. So just to get a walk going with people talking together is all we need to do. It's not a protest march. It's not a walk with banners and posters and speeches. It's merely a matter of walking around the different venues and talking and meeting with the people from different communities in Nuneaton.
The final stage of the walk will take us through Riversley Park, over the River Anchor and on towards the Peace Avenue.
This is Riversley Park, and this is the Peace Avenue. This is the Peace Walk and was established by Councillor Don Jakes, who was Mayor of Nuneaton and Bedworth back in 1995, and it marked the 50th year following the end of the Second World War. And I think this is a very fitting place to finish our Walk of Faith. And here we have the plaque which explains what this Peace Avenue is all about.
Let me pause the video now and you can read this at your own leisure.
So you are warmly invited to join us on this Walk of Faith on Saturday the 1st of June, starting at 10 o'clock in the George Eliot Memorial Gardens. I'd love to see you there. Please come along. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.